Lubegard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.
Welcome to the Lubegard Limited Slip Supplement Overview. Clutch-based limited slip differentials are common on many automotive applications like trucks and SUVs, but they present a unique problem. These differentials often use different clutch configurations, either cone or flat type, made with various materials and frictional requirements. When both wheels have ample traction, the clutch plates bind together tightly, sending consistent power to each wheel. When one wheel slips, additional power is sent to the other wheel based on the frictional properties of the clutch packs. This is where the gear lubricant's frictional properties play an important role in functionality and performance. If the frictional properties are not correct, abnormal clutch engagement and disengagement, called chatter, will occur. Chatter happens when turning a corner and the differential clutches are experiencing stick slip instead of smoothly slipping. Not only does it cause annoying noise, popping, vibration, and chatter, but it also causes premature wear and differential failure. This is where an additive such as Lubegard Limited Slip Supplement can be used to modify the fluid's frictional properties to correct the problem. Lubegard Limited Slip Supplement is a concentrated friction modifier formulated specifically for eliminating noise and chatter in clutch-type limited slip differentials. This universal formula is compatible with all limited slip differentials with either synthetic or petroleum gear oils and can be used in place of OEM limited slip additives such as GM, Ford, Chrysler, and Jeep. Lubegard contains proprietary synthetic liquid wax esters called LXE technology, a superior friction modifier to eliminate chatter. LXE technology is heat resistant and acts as an enhanced heat transfer component to pull heat out of the gearbox and clutches more quickly, providing cooler running units. This formula also contains rust and corrosion inhibitors to protect bearings and gear surfaces. Benefits include eliminates differential chatter, groans, squeals, and popping, reduces differential oil temperatures, extends clutch pack and equipment life, contains rust and corrosion inhibitors, works for cone or plate type limited slip differentials. Directions for use: add 2 ounces of Lubegard per quart of gear oil. Allow 20 miles of road operation for complete mixing. For more information, visit our website at lubegard.com.
Lubegard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.